I prepare for the worst, but hope for the best. Don't wait for the change of circumstances. You change the circumstances. I'm not young anymore. I'm really, really tired. And the world is too violent right now. It's a dilemma. I like action, but I don't like violence. How did you do all those dangerous stunts, jumping off rooftops and over cliffs? I said, oh, that's even simpler. It's just rolling, action, jump, cut, hospital. You don't get to do over parts or go back and change your path. Your life is decided by your character and the decisions you make in the moment. The world isn't that big, but it's not that small either, and connections between two human beings are always a little mystical. Being still and doing nothing are two completely different things. I didn't reach out, and she was gone. Rituals, like burning paper money, all fake, just something we do to comfort ourselves or for others to see. I have more dollars than cents. Don't try to be like Jackie. There is only one Jackie. Study computers instead. Do not let circumstances control you. You change your circumstances. Cinema reflects culture, and there is no harm in adapting technology, but not at the cost of losing your originality. Now I am older, I understand we have to accept who we are. A lot of people ask me when I do a stunt, Jackie, are you scared? Of course I'm scared. I'm not Superman. Since the child knew his parents would give in, he tried the same trick again and again. I like to change characters, and then, slowly, I believe the audience treat me as, like an actor who can fight. It's not like an action star. I do small things. I try to do good things every day. If everyone does some good, think of what a good world this will be.